As I walk through the door of the calculus room, I take a look at the sign and realize I wanna die. Cause I've been solving and crying so long that even my teacher thinks that I'm kinda dumb. But I just divide the opposite side by the hypotenuse. Sine, opposite over adjacent, you know that's tangent. You better watch what quadrant and where you craft, or your homies might be in study hall. I really hate to say it, but y'all gon' be there. As they drew the graph, I laughed. It was a joke, fool. I'm not gonna waste my time. I have an input on this line. I once was blind, but now I see I'm a straight calculus G.
Been spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Been spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Keep spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Keep spending most our days living in a calculus haze.
They gave the equation, they got me using sine. I can't live a normal life, I was tricked by the limits. So I gotta be continuous with the math function. Too much discontinuity got me failing the test. I'm an educated fool with math on my mind. Got my pen in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a mathematician, set on equivalency. And my homies are smart, so don't ask them a question, fool. Math ain't nothing but a terminal point. I'm living life, do or pie, what can I say? I'm 18 now, but will I live to see calculus 2? The way things are going, I don't know.
Tell me why are we so blind to see that the limit is infinity? Been spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Been spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Keep spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Keep spending most our days living in a calculus haze.
Implicit and explicit differentiation using sines and cosines, tangents and pi. Fool, everybody's working, but half of them ain't learning. I try to derivate, but I don't think it's working. They say I gotta learn, but all these rules confuse me. And if I can't derivate, my grade will abuse me. I guess I can't, I guess I won't differentiate this problem, so my grade is out of luck, fool.
Been spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Been spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Keep spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Keep spending most our days living in a calculus haze. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the limit is infinity? Tell me why are we so blind to see that the limit